Similar triangles. Standard grade B question. We have a triangle inside another triangle that share a common angle. That means that these two triangles are similar because all the angles are the same, because these are parallel lines. These two angles are the same and these two angles are the same. And so one triangle is just an enlargement of the other. So we've got the smaller triangle, CDE, and then we've got the bigger triangle, CAB. Okay, so we just label those up. On the small triangle, CE is 7. C to B, on the bigger triangle, is 7 plus 5, which is 12. On the big triangle, CA is 10. And we're trying to find this length here, between D and A. Trying to find that bit in there. To do that, if we can find this length, which is CD, we can then take that away from 10 to give us the answer. So, what we need to do here, the standard way of doing this, is to work out what the scale factor is to move from this triangle to this triangle. So if we actually go to a smaller triangle first, where the common side, the 7 and the 12 of the common side, is 1, we would have to divide by 7 to make this triangle into this triangle, and then to come up to this one, we would then times by 12. So it's a bit like the unitary method for ratio or proportion, where you go take it down to 1 and then multiply it back up again. And if we're going the other way, we go do the opposite. We divide by 12, and then we would times by 7 to take it down to 1 and then back up to 7. So we're going from the big one to the small. We want to work out this one. We start with 10, we divide by 12 to take it down to the small triangle, and then multiply back up by 7 to take it up to this triangle. So we've got 10 divided by 12 multiplied by 7 gives us 35 over 6. Not a particularly nice number, but if we then realise what we've got to do is take away that from 10, so we've got 10 minus 35 over 6. I'll do that on the calculator. 10 minus the answer, that gives us 25 over 6, and the decimal for that is 4.16. There's a little dot there, which is the recurring dot, so 4.16 recurring, or if you're going to round it to the nearest centimetre, 2 decimal places, it's going to be 4.17, because that's 4.16666, and that rounds to 4.17 for 3 marks.